Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi have just announced a new upgrade to their Visual Builder, and it's a pretty significant one. It allows us to edit the actual headers and footers from the page itself rather than going to the theme builder. And this is just available now in Divi 4.12, so you'll need 4.12 to see this. And if I enable the Visual Builder here, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now I've got the Visual Builder enabled. If I go down, you can see I can hover over the header here and edit the header template. Now this is only going to work if you've got custom headers and footers. Custom headers and footers are really easy to create, but I have got a custom one on this site. I've got the generic footer on here, so I can't edit it. If I go to a template that doesn't have a custom header on it, I enable the Visual Builder and we go down, you notice you can't edit the default template. And for anybody that doesn't know, to create a default header or footer, simply go to your dashboard, go down to Divi, go down to Theme Builder, and you can add a global header and a global footer here. Really easy to do. Check out some of our previous videos on how to create global headers and footers. Really easy to do. But that is a major update. It's going to make it an awful lot quicker to edit your site. You can just go in and add modules, customize your header as you need to, put notifications up there if you need to, and do similar for the footer. So like I say, that's a great upgrade. It's a very short video this morning, but upgrade to 4.12 and you've got these great new features. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.